Hello, I'm Autumn Neary, Associate Curator here at the Peterson Automotive Museum. Today we'll be taking a look at our newest exhibition, Hypercars Allure of the Extreme Part 2. The reason we decided to do a Part 2 of this exhibition is that with the proliferation of ultra-high-performance vehicles in recent years, there were simply too many extreme and amazing vehicles that we wanted to share with our visitors. So let's take a look. In part one of Hypercars, we started with the Bugatti Veyron, a car which many people consider the first hypercar. So it's only fitting that we start part two with the successor to the Veyron. This is the 2022 Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. The Chiron was introduced in 2016. It was designed by Sasha Silipanov, a graduate of the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena. Its styling includes references to the historic Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, while the wing at the back is a reference to the starfighter jets from the Star Wars film franchise. Here we have the all-electric 2018 Remac Nevera concept. Remac is a boutique hypercar manufacturer from Croatia, and their cars are designed, engineered, and built in Zagreb. The name Nevera is a Croatian word for a fast-moving coastal storm, and it's certainly fitting for this vehicle, which has the fastest acceleration of any car in the exhibition, going from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 1.85 seconds. In 2021, it set the record for fastest production car when it completed a quarter-mile sprint in 8.58 seconds. It also has the highest horsepower of any vehicle in the exhibition at 1,914. This dramatic-looking vehicle is the 2022 Hyperion XP1 prototype. It's the first vehicle from Hyperion Motors, which is based in Orange County, California. What's unique about this vehicle is that while it is electric, it does not use lithium-ion batteries for energy storage. Instead, it uses hydrogen fuel cells. It has a projected range of about 1,000 miles. The design of the vehicle is super dramatic. It has V-wing doors, which are inspired by the winged victory of Samothrace, an ancient Greek statue of a goddess with her outstretched wings. And these swooping lines here are actually solar panels, and they are articulated to follow the sun. This is the 2010 Pagani Zonda Tricolori. The Zonda was Pagani's first production car, introduced in 1999 at the Geneva Motor Show. The Tricolori is built to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Frecce Tricolori, which is the demonstration team for the Italian Air Force. You can see here the Italian flag colors in these ribbons on the front. And at the back is a small wing which represents the tail wing on the stunt planes flown by the Frecce Tricolori. Frecce Tricolori means 3 arrows, and fittingly, only 3 of the Zonda Tricolori were built. This is the third of those 3. Our next vehicle is the 2022 Ken Okayama Code 57 Berlinetta. Originally from Japan, Ken Okayama is another graduate from the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena. He's a modern-day coach builder. He works with individual clients to craft bespoke luxury vehicles on existing platforms. For the Code 57, the client wanted a modern Ferrari 599 with design cues from the 1957 Ferrari Testarossa and an all-glass roof. Here we have the 2015 Koenigsegg One-to-One from Sweden. One-to-one refers to the car's one-to-one power-to-weight ratio, meaning that for every kilogram of curb weight, it has 1 horsepower. This car has 1,314 horsepower, which means it weighs 1,314 kilograms, or about 2,900 pounds. This is also the first modern production car with 1 megawatt of power, and it runs on either gasoline or biofuel. It has the highest top speed of any vehicle in the exhibition at 273 miles per hour. Here we have the 2019 Loraki Sahara. Loraki was founded in 1999 in Casablanca, Morocco, and this is our only car from the continent of Africa in the exhibition. In 2013, Loraki debuted its 3rd concept car, the Epitome, at Pebble Beach. The King of Morocco commissioned 2 cars to be built based on the Epitome, and that is the Sahara. 2 Saharas were built. This one is used for demonstration purposes. Loraki is really a source of national pride in a country not typically associated with auto manufacturing. The Sahara features Moroccan design influences in the pattern of the front grille and the quilted interior upholstery, and it is painted in the King's signature color. Here we have the 2020 Apollo IE. This one is fittingly named Orange Dragon. Apollo Automobile is a German hypercar manufacturer, but the name IE stands for Intensa Emozioni, which is Italian for intense emotion. Its design was meant to stand out from all other hypercars, and its styling is based on the themes of airflow and nature, particularly insects and marine animals. Even the interior carries through the nature theme, with a cockpit inspired by the idea of a cocoon. Only 10 IEs will be produced. This example is chassis number 2 and was the first car delivered to a customer. Here we have our second vehicle from Scandinavia, the 2020 Zenvo TSRS from Denmark. The company was founded in Denmark in 2004. The TSRS is the road-going version of the Zenvo TSR, but its performance is still extreme, thanks in part to the twin supercharged V8 engine. It also features this incredible rear wing that adjusts its speed both vertically and horizontally, drastically improving handling and maximizing traction. Lastly, we have the 2020 Hispano Suiza Carmen Boulogne. Hispano Suiza is a Spanish automaker that was one of the most prestigious marques of the early 20th century, but it ended its automobile production at the onset of World War II. The brand was revived in 2019, and the Carmen was the first production vehicle released by Hispano Suiza in 74 years. Its design was inspired by the 1938 H6B Dubonnet Xenia, and the distinctive color on this vehicle is called Ocean Song Rose, and it was inspired by its owner's favorite flower. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of Hypercars, Allure of the Extreme Part 2. These cars are really more amazing in person, so if you're able, please come join us at the Peterson Automotive Museum. I hope to see you there.